Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, I hope you will fine. Today's video is related to Facebook issue or error. Maybe some of the friends have the experience if they share a link or post in so many groups of Facebook. In a short time, the Facebook send a message like this: you cannot post right now. To prevent any misuse, we limit how often you can do certain things on Facebook. It looks like you hit one of our limit. It means sharing of so many links or posts in a short time is against the Facebook rules. What's the solution of this error to fix? First of all, go to your mobile setting and here is additional setting. And in the last, backup and reset. Here is erase all data, factory reset. Click on it, and here you can see reset system setting only. You should click on the reset system setting only. All your system related to your mobile will be reset and your issue will be solved. If your problem is still not solved, then take a screenshot of the error like this and go to your Facebook main page. Click on the three lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Here is help and support. Click on it. And here you can see report a problem, and here you can see in the last continue to report a problem. Here you will click on the profile, and on the top you can see a space for your issue. What you can write here, for example, I will write here, I cannot post right now problem. I write this, and now you can see camera roll here. You will click on the camera roll. You will go on your photos and you will select the screenshot you have taken of your error. That's the screenshot I have taken. And now you can see on the top right corner send. You will send it. I am not sending because I have no problem. If you will send it, you will get reply in 24 hours from Facebook team. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming notifications.